Good morning, everyone. This is a slate gray Junco on a snowy Tuesday morning at the Thistle Seed Feeder. And a house finch, brief picture of a house finch. And a white-bellied nuthatch. Quite a variety this morning here. And a downy woodpecker. And there's my friendly cardinal. He likes to sit in the bush over there to the side of the feeder and wait until there's nobody on the feeder, no other birds on the feeder, and then he pops over and gets what he wants, and then takes off. So see you later. Bye.